Some people may not see the evil in what the Satan Pinamu have taught mankind. According to the book of Enoch, learning how to write the abominations learned from the Satans is a great sin. Through the false wisdom of this world, many people are led astray. The synagogue of Satan was able to alter the word of the Most High because the workers of iniquity learned how to write. Many books were written by the workers of iniquity to seduce mankind to continue in the Satan's rebellion. Witchcraft, sorcery, idolatry, and more wickedness transfer from generation to generation because the children of men learn how to write. Through the abominations the Satan Pinamu taught mankind allowed Kinam to find the abominable writings from prior generations written on a wall of the fallen watchers' secrets.